go, Father. He's here. He's stalking Marty.
Luke's sitting down.
Shut up, Grace. Don't talk to him.
Watch what he does. He's gonna start it up and just take off. Watch. You'll hear it, that diesel. No, he didn't do it this time. Usually he's gone by now. But see, there he goes.
His dick bag is coming for something.
Going.
He didn't even notice Tracy at all. He didn't notice him one bit.
Look at him run. Look at him run.
We're good?
There's my cardio.
We're good. Dun, 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 dun.
What are you doing? Put the camera down, dude.
Say, mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished, dude. Is that good stuff?